esteemed members of the Daughters Mary Immaculate International, my brothers, United Columbus, parents of Mary, brothers and sisters in Christ, good morning. With heart filled with gratitude, we come to the conclusion of this enlightening and meaningful gathering. Today, through the grace of God and the wisdom shared by Reverend Father Abe Argañosa, we have deepened our understanding of the sanctity of life and the divine gift that is every unborn child. This initiative, led by the Daughters of Mary Immaculate, the Knights of Columbus, and the Squires of Mary Immaculate, is more than just a program. It is a mission, a call to defend, nurture, and uphold life from the moment of conception. As we step out of this gathering, may we carry with us the firm conviction to be voices for the voiceless, advocates for the unborn, and living witnesses of Christ's boundless love for all its children. Let us continue to spread this message of life within our families, our communities, and within our parish. May we, like our Blessed Mother, embrace the beauty of life and the sacred responsibility of it. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much to everyone who made this event possible, to all organizers, our resource speakers, attorney. May God bless us all as we go forth in faith, love, and action. To God be the glory to all. Good morning.